Last one, right click on it. You clicked on it, right click. Cancel what you're doing and right click. Absolute axis all the way in the bottom. Set as current. Go to the ISO view. Go create your point. So we'll create point A. You gotta type in your coordinates. Is it 110?
Those look right.
No,
No.
for point A.
A is 110, 95, and 200.
I've agreed to rappel down to the massive cave in search of Beale's treasure. How you doing? It's Stephen. Sometimes I'm not sure whether I love or hate my job.
Okay, stop. So what happened here, I believe, if you go to the point command, or let's go to point again. I think what happened was it was not working off the, somehow we must have, like, click on point 1 right now, or point A. We must have somehow created points from that point when we keyed in the next coordinates. So cancel that. Undo your point 4. Control Z. Double click the point command. Select OK. Oh, wait a minute. That's the wrong numbers. Damn it. Cancel. Double, undo. Double click the points and change your numbers.
Oh my god. This just gets crazier and crazier. Yeah, there's the money room.
It looked right. I don't know. It's weird.
It's unbelievable.
Say enter or tab.
So insane.
Tab or enter and say OK.
That's crazy.
And then do the point B.
Say something shining. Some shining? Yeah. I'm exploring a deep cave in the Virginia backcountry with a local treasure hunt. Look at this place. And we may have found something. Say something shining. Some shining? Yeah. What do you see shining? Palpable land. Looks like it's one of those glass oil lamps. If they're using oil lamps down here, they're definitely using here. So the question is, will they come through here with the oil lamp?
Is it okay?
Yeah. And then point C.
The artifacts we found are fascinating clues that other explorers have ventured.
Can you open up point 4 and 5 in the tree? Hit the plus on 4 and 5. And Dan, can you confirm those numbers while you're typing in C?
Yeah, I'm watching as he goes. Everything's the same.
Not here, but what spot? And the map led us here. Of course, now that'll come as far with you if you do find it. I gotta cut the treasure. But Justin remains confident and vows to return to the area to continue his search.
Okay, cancel that. And then we'll create point 5 is the Y vector, right? So we'll go to line and create the lines from point A to B, right? That's on the Y. So pick right off the tree. Select OK. And then the next one. Okay. That looks more square to me. Let's go ahead and try and create that axis on point A. And then the Z value is the one that goes from point. Is that the Z?
I think so. A to C.
Yes,
Right.
A to C.
Is that Z is way up on top? Or is that the little line? Put your cursor on that point on the top of the point. Does it highlight the point?
On mine, it's the
That's
little.
0.5 up there. That's why. Go to the other point. That's should be point Z,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
So you gotta
So
watch
select
that.
Select that line.
Mm-hmm. Maybe what I should have done is create the 2 points and create the line first, so it's less confusing because the points are all so skewed you get thrown off. And then the Y vector.
You'd be hard pressed to find a more charming town in the Yucatan. This is the colonial city of Valladolid, established by the Spanish in the 1540s.
That looks better.
That looks like it worked. I don't know what we did. We must have had one of those active without realizing it. By double clicking the points, it stayed on the absolute axis. Okay. Say okay. And let's rename point A, B, and C.
The only downside to this colonial paradise is that it's absolutely sweltering. The very cool thing about these cenotes is that, yes, some of them are out of literally right in the middle of town.
Okay, now that we have recreated this and put on the axis, it looks a lot cleaner. This becomes the active axis when we create it. So when we hit the ISO view, you'll see the orientation is much different. And this is why we're going to create a local axis. See how that part is orientated in reference to the absolute axis? So
And it looks identical to what I have, so.
we've established a local axis that we can work from, and then making the part will be much easier. Now you'll have to reference the book to find the actual dimensions of the part to make the part. I'll bet for you guys that have done a lot of parts, making this local axis system and coordinating it will be much more difficult than making the part itself. All right, hopefully this helps on how to set this up. Thank you.